Wax-free seals are often recommended because they save time, reduce mess, and prevent future frustration. Wax-free seals create a reliable watertight and gas-tight connection between the toilet flange and the toilet base by using elastomeric materials that compress and rebound instead of a soft wax gasket. Installers should first ensure the flange is clean, level, and the correct height relative to the finished floor, then choose a wax-free seal sized to the flange and toilet horn. Most models simply drop into the flange and the toilet is set directly on top. When tightening bolts, alternate nuts back and forth gradually to seat the seal evenly and avoid uneven compression that can cause leaks or cracks. Use only hand tools or low torque settings to prevent porcelain stress. If the flange is slightly lower than the finished floor, use a flange extender ring or thin shims under the wax-free seal to maintain uniform compression without over-compressing the elastomer. For replacement or repeat work, remove the toilet, lift the wax-free seal straight up, inspect for debris, and reuse the same seal if it shows no tears, otherwise replace it. Many seals are designed for multiple seatings, which is useful for trial fits. Always test by running water in the tank and checking around the base for seepage. Then monitor for at least 24 hours to confirm there are no slow leaks. Common problems include uneven flange height that prevents the seal from compressing uniformly, which you can fix by fitting a proper flange extender or shimming so the wax-free seal sits flat. Another frequent issue is over-tightening bolts, which can crack the toilet or distort the seal. So tighten nuts only until the toilet is snug and level, and check by rocking the bowl before final torquing. A third concern is debris, or warped flanges causing leaks. So clean the flange thoroughly, replace any damaged flange sections, and consider a thicker or reinforced wax-free seal that compensates for minor irregularities. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to bathroom upgrades and sealing solutions. We also host an active discussion community where we share project tips, real user experiences, and practical advice on choosing and installing wax-free seals.